welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Brittany. I do videos sometimes. I took quite a lot of time off actually this last year, and I've just posted kind of scattered in. Also, I'm looking in the viewfinder right now and this lip color was not a good idea. It's blending into my face. I promise there are lips here, you just can't see them. But I'm so excited, an Ipsy unboxing today. And if you have been here for a while, sorry, I'd have like a little bit of a cough. No COVID, I already got tested. You would know I do Ipsy bags, Birchbox, like that's what my channel started on. And it's been a long time since I've done one of these. So I was lucky enough where Ipsy reached out and they are gonna be sending me boxes every so often. So when I get them, I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you because why not, right? I feel like we all kind of enjoy that here. And if you're someone that doesn't, you can click out, I suppose. I have a lot of videos that have been recorded and that I just didn't upload. So one of them is an apartment tour, which I am no longer living there. So if you want that, let me know in the comments. I will upload it. I have not edited it or anything. And then at some point I'm gonna do a little life update because I don't want to talk about it. There were some really low moments the last like 6 months, specifically this past week was rough. So anyways, going right in, this is a lot of stuff in here. Okay, I think I opened the box really weird, my bad. It's like I said, it's been a while since I've done one of these and apparently opening up a box is not my strong suit. So right inside it says discover yourself, and then it has a cute little orange foam for protection. Welcome to Ipsy Studios. So that's what I was invited to be part of. And this is the October box, and Your Magic, I think that is the theme, which makes sense because it is Halloween themed month-wise. I just figured it out. So I have a glam bag and a glam bag plus in here. So I have the glam bag, but also the, I don't know why I'm repeating this, the plus. So the glam bag is what I'm gonna do first. So this is $12 a month. Again, I have not done this in a while, or I would know all of this because I've actually done and paid for both of these before. So the glam bag comes with 5 deluxe size samples and a bag, which this one is adorable. It says Your Magic, and the little, what do you call this, zipper is a star and moon, which is freaking adorable. And we are gonna go ahead and just open this one first. Oh, the back side of it is adorable too. They do so good on their bags. I miss these. And I love, because obviously I can't keep them all and I have an overload of them, especially when you're on it for years. So right now I am not backed up. I will keep this, but I love when I'm at the school and then I bring them in with my kids and they just love them. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna pull out is, ooh, this is a big, no. So sometimes you do get full size in your Ipsy bags because, oh, Chester loves bubble wrap because that's just how they work. So this is by Sunday Riley, and take that back. No. A+ high dose retinoid serum. Advanced strength retinoid serum delivers a 6.5 power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. So it fights aging and UV damage and of other stuff. Anyways, and it's supposed to even your complexion, which I'm 30 now, so I am aging and I am getting a little more nervous about wrinkles. I have some fine lines on my forehead, not too much, and then on my eyes I feel like I'm starting to get them, especially when like I try not to smile like obviously like that because that's how you get fine lines, but and just aging in general. I'm so excited. I've heard a lot of really awesome things about Sunday Riley, and I've only had little sample sizes of them, so I'll actually be able to use this and get a really good idea of whether it works or not. Will you just not? Can you not? Okay. And then the next thing I'm pulling out is, ooh, Bobbi Brown. I'll give that back. He is the worst. This is a smoky eye mascara. What makes a mascara smoky is my question. And it's in Regard Intense. Maybe it's just like a lengthening and it's black. I don't know. I've never actually tried Bobbi Brown mascara. I'm very excited about that. I love sample size mascaras. Like, they are my absolute favorite because I get, and I have the last couple years, really bad, what do you call those, styes, especially on my lower lash line. So when that happens, you obviously don't want to use the same mascara again, so you toss it. So yes, I also bought a lot of like reusable wands so that I can just pump once and then hopefully I get all my eyes all mascaraed up. But I actually haven't been wearing makeup much at all. I just put it on now because I looked dead right before I turned the camera on. No! No, you can't eat that. I'm gonna sit on it so he can't have it. He's gonna still try. Okay, and then I have Briogeo Farewell Frizz, and this is the Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I've not tried this. I do love Briogeo's mask, hair mask. I use that a lot. I want to say I've tried a conditioning spray from them before that wasn't anti-frizz, so I'm pretty positive this is different. Let me smell it though. I mean, that might be, yeah, this smells different. I can't wait. Cannot wait. Okay, and then is this lastly, yes, lastly is Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. Stop. You're being mean. You're being so mean. And this is, I had the clear Smashbox one, but never this one. And I do have a lot of oil. So, I could use that. Actually, right now, I feel like I'm very greasy. And that's fine. I worked out right before this. So, like, some of it is just like a sweat glow. Okay, so that is all for my Ipsy bag. Abso-freaking-lutely worth $12 a month. Are you kidding me? Like, this alone, I'll have the the tally going, but this alone was way over $12, so well worth. I'm not, you know what, I'm about to give up. I cannot talk. Well worth the investment. Definitely recommend. Also, if you're someone that struggles with like eye issues and whatnot, sample sizes, it's your route. Okay, on to the Ipsy Plus, because I have not had one of these in a while. This is $25 a month. It's called the Glam Bag Plus, and you get 5 full-size products, and then it's supposed to be worth $125 and up. So you are getting your value. You're paying way under. So let's go ahead and dig in. I have a brush. I love brushes. This is by Firma, and it is a contour brush, which you can never, like, you can do so many things with this. So, and I actually need to get rid of some of my brushes. This is so soft. Definitely synthetic, and I'm here for it. This is very dense too. I'm gonna for sure use this. Actually, my favorite contour brush is one from Luxie that I got in an Ipsy bag before. This could be a nice one to keep for travel and stuff. I sometimes will keep a makeup bag on my way to work, so maybe I can just have this at work. Because, you know, you never know if you want to go out afterwards. And then I have Laboratories Filorga Oxygen Glow Eyes. Oh, and an eye illuminator. Super Smoothing Radiance Eye Care for tired eyes and visible dark circles. Dehydrated skin, fine lines, super smoothing skincare to revive eye contour appearance and visibly boost radiance for enhanced eyes naturally. I don't get bad dark circles, but I get, they're just like red. Maybe they just need a little bit of, they almost need to puff up some just to make them look healthier. They sometimes look sunken in. This is just what it looks like in the bottle, which I appreciate it being a tube because, again, ice dyes, you don't, it's not good using a pot where you're constantly putting your fingers in. It's just not sanitary. So thank you for that. Ooh, it's a Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I've had eyeshadows from them and I love them. This is a really nice brand, and like, I get greasy easily, so I can always use translucent powder. Yes. I can't, until I use it, I won't know if I love it, but I'm excited for it, that's for sure. And look how adorable this packaging is. Oh, an eyeshadow palette. Who is this by? Illuminati Quad Palette. Look at these colors. If that does not scream fall to you, I don't know what does. And like, this is perfect. Like, I would literally only use these 4. Like, I don't need any more. This right here makes me happy. Might just have to be what I use all this fall. If I ever actually put eyeshadow on. It has been a while. Oh. Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. I'm so excited. I've had one Huda Beauty palette, and I always see these in the Sephora line. Oh my god. I lied. I'm gonna have both of these at the same time. Look at those colors. Those are so freaking pretty. I feel like I'm going to put self-tanner on just so I don't look sick using pinks, but it's worth it. And that right there is a great base color, and I feel like a lot of palettes don't have one. I'm so excited. That is called the, I already lost the thing. What is this called? Oh, Mauve Obsessions. I already said that. A candle. All of my fall basic white girl like vibes are going off right now. And Chester's still stealing stuff. It smells like a man. It smells like cologne. That smells really good. And it's Ipsy branded, which kind of makes me happy. And I'm not going to want to burn it now because I'm kind of want to put this on display. And I don't have any black candles. Can you visibly hear me getting excited? Love this. Okay, and then the last, oh, before I say the last thing, it all comes with a little bag. So you can put everything inside of it, and it just looks exactly like the little glam bag. So the very last thing is by LaRousse, and I don't know what it is. It's packaged beautifully. I almost don't want to unpackage it because you see it has like a little sticker on it. Okay, we're doing it. Can I salvage? Oh, I can salvage this. What? Okay, guys. Look what's inside. It's a whole brush set. A whole freaking brush. Oh my god. It's rubberized. The handles are rubber. Oh my god. This feels so nice. It's softer than you, buddy. How did you get that? Oh, it's so soft. What? Let's take all of them out. I've never used a contour brush that looks like that. I've seen it before, but let me know in the comments below if you've used one of these and if it works better than a flat top one. These are so luxurious. And a foundation, oh my, I don't know how many times I can say that. This is literally, I think this is the best feeling brush set I've ever used. Or felt. I haven't used it yet technically. Definitely the handles are. So this is contour blending. This is kabuki. This is a flat angle. And then this is a tapered face. I don't even know. Like, I'm trying to think of my favorite right now. I literally have no idea. I think it's gonna be a tie between, can I say it's a tie? I want to say that this wins just because it literally is the best feeling thing I've ever felt in my life as far as brushes go. Highly recommend you buying these. I don't even know how much they are yet. Pardon me if they're really expensive, but you need these in your life. But the Huda Beauty palette, this is just beautiful. So beautiful. So I'm going to say number 1 and number 2. And then as far as the glam bag goes, my number 1 is very clear here. So obviously it's a Sunday Riley product, but out of the sample sizes, my favorite is gonna have to go to, just because, you know, mascaras make me really happy when they're sample sizes, so I'm so happy. This, such a cool month to start my journey with them. And let me know in the comments below if you want to see more unboxings and unbaggings and any potential subscriptions you want. I'm thinking of doing a workout subscription. I don't know yet for sure though. I have enough workout clothes, so maybe not. Okay, I have to end this video before Chester eats all of the bubble wrap. Love you guys so much. Bye.